YouTubers, today I hope you guys are all fine. Today I'm gonna make a video for this dripping tab, because whenever you close this like this, it is still dipping. It's not stop, it's continue dipping. So we have to stop this thing. So look at this water, because I closed the line, I mean shut down the line behind. That's why it's not dipping, but it's always dipping. So how do you fix this thing? First of all, you have to open this tab like this, and all this big bar will come out, and you see this thing is not working properly. There is something wrong with this system. So we have to change that washer, rubber washer. That's the main issue. Yeah, there is something wrong. This is very hard, it's very crumpy, and it's giving a bad coloring. Let's try. We can do, I have this kit. You can easily find this from Home Depot or market, and you find different type of rubber things, washers like this. You can fix this thing. I think this will be okay. Let's try first this, otherwise we try to other one. The other washer was very old and is giving a hard time. See this thing, we put the new washer. Let's try. If this thing is not working, the thing too, and then we tied this thing again. Ready. Do you see, since I changed this thing, is a very small dipping, because I have put the new washer, and this thing now is working properly. See, I open this water, and then I close this thing. Water is still on the way, so it will stop, because it has a long neck, so it will small dripping. So I hope you like this video. You will learn something, how to change the washer for the old water tab. Please subscribe and share my video. Thank you, and meet you next time. Thank you, and bye bye.